Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Noobs Law School. In this particular video, I am going to talk about the last minute revision classes which I am taking for TS LawSet 2021. TS LawSet 2021 is scheduled on 23rd and 24th of August, which is just 2 days away. So this video is presented by me. My name is Trinath Reddy and this is about me. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Noobs Law School, educator for CLAT and other law entrance exams at Unacademy. And I cracked the TS LawSet 2020 exam with a rank of 21 and currently pursuing my BLB honors from University College of Law. And Trinath 10 is my code. You can use this code to unlock both free and paid classes on Unacademy. So this is me sitting in the judge chair at Nalsar's Moot Court. And this is the schedule for today's revision classes, guys. You know that we are covering current affairs from various months. Our target is to cover current affairs from Jan to July 2021. We have already done the months of January, May, June, July and August. So we have some months remaining, February, March and April. So we'll be doing that. So we'll be covering current affairs in our first class, which will go live at 5 p.m. today. From 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. we have our knowledge dawn series. We will be covering important current affairs. After this class, we have a 15-minute break. Then we'll start our next class 6:15 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. The most awaited Lexicon series, part 9 of our Lexicon series, where we'll be discussing legal aptitude questions. So we'll be revising some important questions which are asked from mock 1 of TS LawSet 2021. Not only this, here's another important surprise. On 23rd of August 2021, the 3-year exam will be done. On 24th, 5-year exam will be done. And on 25th morning at 11 a.m. I will be taking a Know Your Exam session on both TS and AP LawSet. And in this particular session, I will be dealing with everything right from entrance, curriculum, syllabus, admission, fees of various colleges, faculty and placements of all the colleges which are accepting, all the major colleges which are accepting admissions through TS and AP LawSet 2021. And the link to this class and also these two classes will be dropped down in the description. Make sure that you click on notify me so that you get a notification when I start the class. If you are a new user, just download the Unacademy app, choose your goal as CLAT and search my name in the search bar and use this code. My code is Trinath10. If you use this code, you can unlock the classes absolutely for free. These are the features of Unacademy CLAT. You can raise your hand and talk to the educator in live sessions. This feature is available only in Plus. And unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz. You can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere. Opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni. Access to national level mock test and sectional test. Weekly events like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies and NLU experiences by faculty members. Legal Affairs is a complete batch course for CLAT 2022 started on 16th of August 2021 in both Hindi and English. So this is a batch which is specially for students who are taking a drop year. You will be getting mock test, sectional test and also weekly, monthly GK and CA compendiums. Next, Champions batch is a 1-year comprehensive batch for CLAT 2022. The only difference between Legal Affairs and Champion batch is that this batch, Champions batch, is completely in English, whereas Legal Affairs is in both Hindi and English. So this is ideal for the students who are aspiring for CLAT from the southern part of India and who are not aware of Hindi. Next, Lawspective is again a 2-year comprehensive batch for CLAT 2023. And this is not a specialized classes for students who are considering a drop year. They might have added by mistake because drop year students won't take in 2023. So this is for students who are in class 11 now, okay, and you are planning to take CLAT in CLAT 2020 in the year 2023. So this batch is completely in English. This is starting on 20th of August 2021. And you have all the features over there. You have 50 plus additional mock test and weekly sectional test and monthly current affairs and GK compendium. And if you want to take any of Unacademy CLAT subscriptions, you can use my code Trinath10 THRINATH for additional 10% discount. This code is valid not only for CLAT but also for any other category which is there on Unacademy. See guys, the important feature is that if you take Unacademy Plus subscription, you will not get access only to the Lawspective batch, only to the Champion batch, only to the Legal Affairs batch. It is not like that. You will get access to the entire platform. How many batches? So there are many batches which are launched every week on Unacademy CLAT. So you will be able to get access to all the classes. You can join any of the batch. You can choose your own educators. There are a lot of educators for each subject. So you can choose your favorite educator. You can choose your favorite batch. So you will get access to the entire platform, not to one batch. So you can use my code, and the 12-month 1-year plan is just 19,250 rupees, and if you use my code you will get additional 10% offer. So make sure that you avail it. Live quiz feature for the student. This is self-explanatory. I have explained this. And Unacademy Law Aptitude Test. I know most of you are taking this test, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks every Friday from 4 to 5 p.m. Weekly T20 test also. I can see that most of you are taking this test. So on Monday we have English, Tuesday Quant, Wednesday Logic, Thursday Legal, and Friday Current Affairs and GK. And subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy Class. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and do let us know what you feel. Do show some love by liking and sharing the videos. So that's all for today's video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all at 5 p.m. today in the Knowledge It On series and at 6:15